Let's make tom yum. Half lime, slit chilies and cut mushrooms. Slice galangal and quarter tomatoes. Clean and slice squid. Slice fish. This is what we have prepared for the soup. Let's fry the aromatics. And bring it to a boil. Tear up the lime leaves and add tom yum stock, chilies for spice, add this for more flavor, and Thai fish sauce. When it comes to a boil, add your mushrooms and the tomatoes. Prepare a separate pot to boil individual servings so as not to overcook the seafood. Lastly, add lime juice and coriander.